right, guys, I'm here at the office. It is Sunday and I'm here for emergency patients, but I've been really active today, exercising since early morning and getting pretty hungry. I had a breakfast and then a lunch, but now I need a really good snack. And I'm going to show you what I put in my smoothie. This is important if you're on lower carb and if you're intermittent fasting, that you eat properly and you have good nutrition. So I've got this smoothie container right here, and I use the Ninja blender right there, excellent blender. And this has some measurements on the side, but I'm also using a scale right here. I'm going to zero that out and make sure I know how much of these ingredients I'm putting in. Now, the first thing I'm going to use is this almond beverage, and this is unsweetened. It's got 30 calories in 250 milliliters, and I do want to use 250. So often I'll use whatever's on the side of the container, pretty close, 246, and this one's all done now. So I'll use whatever's on the serving container as one serving. Sometimes I'll half the serving, sometimes I'll double it. So I try to use those servings as a guide. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of fruit in here. So not a lot, but I'm gonna add this kale and pineapple just to give it a little bit of flavor. And I'm gonna zero out the scale, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this in the smoothie. So the scale will tell me how much. 40 grams of the pineapple and kale, okay? So that's in the smoothie now. And then what I'm gonna do is, the vitamins and minerals are so important. So I have this Naka Nutra Multi for men, and it actually has a serving container in the cap. I'm gonna take a full serving of this and put it into my smoothie. So I'm just gonna pour that in. So one full 20 milliliters of that, and I'll wash that out later, put it back. So 20 of that, and that has all these vitamins and minerals in it. It's pretty incredible, the list. This is one side of the list. This is the other side of the list right here. And it's a liquid, and it's got so many great things in it. I highly recommend this. It's an advanced multivitamin. If you're on intermittent fasting and low carb, you need to get the right nutrition. Like, vitamins and minerals are so important. Next, the fiber. I'm using these milled flax seeds. Now, I alternate between this and psyllium, but I'm gonna get some chia seeds too. I'll work that into the mix soon. So I'm gonna zero this out. I'm gonna put double the serving here. It's got 15 as a serving, I'm gonna do 30. So we're gonna go with 30 of the flax. And there's so many benefits to flax seeds. It's incredible, the benefits. So there we go. 30 of the flax. And the next thing is protein. So I'm gonna use pumpkin protein right here. I really like the taste of pumpkin protein. I'm gonna do 2 scoops of this, 25 grams each. And I'm gonna get my protein count up and my fiber with the smoothie, so that at the end of the day, I'm in great shape. So I'm gonna double up on this one, which might mean I have to add some water to this smoothie because it's gonna be pretty thick. So here I go, I'm doubling up on this guy. Okay, right there, perfect. So 2 big scoops of that, that's a double portion. And I think I got everything. I'm going to add some water to this right now because I want that mixture to be really smooth. So there we go. I'm gonna put the cap on this guy, the blending cap, and it looks like this right here. And I'm gonna blend this guy up right here. It doesn't take much. Perfect. And then the Ninja comes with these tops. So I take the blades off, and then what I have is this top that has a spout on it, and I'm going to put that right on top just like that, and perfect. This is going to be good for the next hour or two. I'm going to put that on my desk as I do my work, and this will give me the nutrition that I need to continue on with my day.